So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to summarize store analytics in Shopify. First, open your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Analytics, and open your dashboard. Select your desired time frame like last 30 days and click the Export or Print button. At the top right hand corner, download the data as CSV file or PDF report. Next, open Claude AI, click the paperclip icon and upload that analytics file. Type this quick execution prompt, act as an expert retail CFO, analyze this Shopify store report, and give me a high-level summary of our performance. Pinpoint our total sales growth and average order value trend. Claude will instantly parse the data and deliver a clean, prioritized executive summary. Pro tip, don't just look at the past numbers. Use Claude to project your future inventory needs. Drop a quick follow-up prompt into the chat, like based on the sales velocity and growth rate in this report, calculate a predictive inventory forecast for next month. Tell me exactly which top 5 products are at risk of selling out so I can restock them before we hit a stock out. Claude will instantly generate a data-backed reorder checklist for your supply chain. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to summarize store analytics in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.